Are you okay? You've been sneezing for hours now.
Can't you do that somewhere else? It's so annoying.
Squidward's right. Les, we can't have customers hearing that wreck it.
Oh, great. Now I can't concentrate on my evil plans with all this sneezing going on.
Can we please get some peace and quiet?
This is ruining my new.
Dude, you're sort of making me lose my games. Sneezes are me.
Maybe there's something in here to help with your allergies.
To SpongeBob and her Baku tissues, to lawsuits,
Wow, problem solved. Hi, roll.
Do you think she needs some Benadryl?
Yes, give her the damn Benadryl already. SpongeBob hands pull a pill.
Looks like someone finally found their weakness.
Grumbling under his breath.
So, back to the weather.
Dude, you're sort of getting louder and more frequent. Are you sure you're okay?
Maybe we should call a doctor.
Oh yes, because that's exactly what we need. More noise.
This is giving me a headache.
Looks like the Krusty Krab will be losing some customers today.
Can you please just take care of your allergies somewhere else?
And we'll be right back after this commercial break.
Dude, I think you broke my eardrums with that last one.
Frantically trying to find more tissues.
Just give her the damn Benadryl already. SpongeBob hands pull another pill.
I hope this doesn't affect our profits for the day.
Laughing Manny, Kelly.
Shut up, Plankton.
And welcome back to Bikini Bottom News, where Piero's still sneezing uncontrollably in SpongeBob's bedroom.
Dude, I can't take it anymore. I'm going for a swim. Splashes into water and swims away.
is even louder and longer than me. I